What's going on, guys? Roscoe here, back with another video. So in today's video, I want to show you how I, sort of resell my sneakers. Now, I'm not a reseller, but when I'm done with the shoe and I haven't worn it in like a couple months, I look at it as that I don't need it anymore. There's sneakers that just keep coming out and everything like that, and I want to keep reviewing them, and I want to keep the channel up to date. So if I have a shoe that I don't wear anymore, I get rid of it. I'm not a reseller. I don't just buy shoes to resell them. But in today's video, I'm going to show you the best way how I do it. There's many options to do it, but this is just how I resell, and maybe it can help you guys. And it's all about building connections, networking and everything like that. So I hope, I can show you some tips and tricks. This pair here, we're going to start off with the Yeezy 350 V2 Static. Now this is the non-reflective pair. Now this pair is dead stock, and I'm going to sell this pair today. I bought two pairs. I bought three pairs, excuse me. I bought a pair for myself, and I bought two pairs for my sister. Now I only bought two pairs because I don't know my sister's size, so the 9.5 is the pair I'm selling. So I'll be selling these today, and I'm going to show you the process and what I do. And the best way to do it, and how I do it, is I consign it. So I'm going to take you on a vlog. We're going to take a trip down to my shop, my boy's shop. It's not my shop, but it's my boy's shop. My shop, I call it, only because, it's my go-to place. So without further, I'm going to change real quick, and we're going to head over to the shop. So I also want to mention real quick, I tried to go for those Adidas night joggers that dropped online today at 10 o'clock Eastern time. They sold out within seconds, man. That caught me by surprise. I was like, what the hell is going on? I thought this was going to be easy W. But on the Adidas website, a 6.5 and a 7 only loaded, and that was it. And then it sold out. And then it said sold out, like, within seconds. So I don't know what the deal with it was, if they had a full-size run or anything. But they were gone within seconds. But I did cop them. I did manage to get them. I got them through a different site. I like to go through Adidas because Adidas is free shipping. But I found another website, another store that had a full-size run, so I picked it up. So expect a detailed review coming sometime, next week. Also, I posted a video review of the Fear of God Nike Air Skyline 2s. So I'll put the link down below in the description if you want to go check that out. But without further, let's go start. Let's start the vlog, bro. Alright, so we're down here. I'm not going to tell you where, but I'm heading to the shop right now. We got the V2s on me. The shop's not only right around the corner. But what I was saying is, consignment shops is not always the best to resell, but it works for me. Some shops won't take your stuff if they have too much inventory, but some shops do. Because January is usually a tough month when it comes to reselling because everyone just spent a ton of money in December. So, usually in January, everyone's got to pay those bills. So a lot of shops are not taking a lot of stuff, but it works for me. But I have the V2s on me. We're going to drop them off over here at the store. And people are staring at me. It's funny. But yeah, it's freezing, man. Oh, it's like 25 degrees out right now. My hands are freezing. Got the Pats playing tomorrow. Excited for the game. I can't wait. Hopefully we win, go to the AFC Championship again. But yeah, hopefully I don't get run over here. Here it is right there. Let me see if I can get them. Right there. Right there. U7. So U7 is my place. We're going to bring these in, see what they offer. And then we'll check out, see what shoes they have. Because I could trade. If they have some good stuff, I could do a trade, or I might just take the cash, or I'll just consign it and then, for a higher price and see if I can get more. So let's go in. So it's an L. Looks like they're closed. They're supposed to be open at 11, but they're not here yet. It's like 11:30. So what I'll do is I'll go hang out real quick in my car, heat up a little bit, and then I'll come back in like probably like 20 minutes. They'll be here. Yeah. Come on, bro. You gotta get here on time. Purple lobsters too.
Yeah, pretty dope.
Yeah, these are nice. These are dope. I was at the drop in New York City and they went nuts for these.
Dogs.
There was people there was probably about a couple hundred people at the like across the street, and it was just chaos.
I'm honestly, even at Cambridge.
Was it?
Yeah.
Yeah. What else they have?
Probably like 15, 20 pairs.
That's sick.
Yeah, the display is really sick.
Yeah. Who makes these?
It's one of our friends.
Oh, really?
Yeah, one of the owners here is his boys.
There you go. So you can store your shoes in here. Fire.
What's going on, bro?
All right, so I'm gonna consign the static, non-reflective pair. I'm gonna list them at 300, and I'll get back like 275, which is not bad. I think if I sold them on StockX, I probably would just make out with, you know, probably retail. So I did list a bunch of stuff here before. I listed a couple off-white jerseys, and they sold. So it looks like I'm getting back like, you know, close to $400. So that's my recommendation. Always bring it to a consignment shop. You know, consign the shoes, because you can always make more money doing this than, you know, just selling it on, you know, online if you want. Because then, you know, most people tend to spend more money when they come in the store and they see it. And he also told me that, you know, people do a lot of trades. So, you know, people could trade up and get a dead stock pair if they have used. So that's my recommendation right there. These are fire. I like these. It's better than my size. These are nice. I love Jordan 5. Jordan 5s are dope. I like this Supreme 2012 shoulder bag. Fire. And then I need 2019, picking up one of the old V1s, old Vs, old 350s. These are fire. I still need a pair. I still need a pair of these. And Ear Yeezys too, which I definitely need. What are these Yeezys going for? $3 you said?
Yeah, 3,200.
3,200. Geez. They got the Gym Reds. The Gym Reds are nice. These are clean. These are clean. 225. 225, not bad. These are clean. They have the breads too. The breads are coming back hard this year. What are the 300? Jeez. Breads. Again, these are coming back out. They're gonna have a higher patent leather. They're gonna more look like the Gym Reds. But I'm looking forward to the bread 4s. Woof, the bread 4s are gonna be clean. Christmas. 125. One of the most overrated sneakers by far in 2018. These are there. Hot Wheels. I like these. Yanets. Yanets are clean. 175, yeah. These are worth it. These are sick. And they go bronze. The classic OG bronze. 150. Not bad. Not bad. Now, the sneaker that I need for 2018 that dropped that I don't have is the Travis, man. This shoe is so sick, and I expect the resale value on this shoe to keep going up. Unfortunately, this isn't my size. What size is this? 8.5. 8.5 going for $450. $450. So let me know what you guys think. It's gonna go up. It's gonna go up, skyrocketing. So they do have the Thunder 4s in my size. These are clean from 2012. And they're in good shape, man. They're in good shape. Let me know. This a cop? I don't know. These are fire. These are insane. And what I also love about going to consignment shops is that you can network with people too, you know? That's how you meet people, that's how you build connections, and that's how you get good deals too, you know? If you shop there more often, the guy's most likely gonna cut the price down, or you're gonna get more money for your stuff. So, guys, that's how I resell my sneakers. Let me know down in the comments, how do you do it? Do you go to sneaker cons and sell them that way? Do you just sell them online like everyone else through, StockX or GOAT? Those are all great ways too as well. I've done it in the past, but I like going in stores, hanging out with the guys, chatting it up, talking about, sneakers. But guys, let me know down in the comments how you resell. But guys, I appreciate you guys watching the video. Like always, smash that like button if you enjoy the vlog, and subscribe to the channel. And like always, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.